If you want to give your children or students a wonderful foundation in life to do well and feel good about who they are, then our behavior education products are here to help. How to Be Good with Santa materials will resonate with and empower your kids with real-life skills to engage in proper social behavior in family, academic, recreational, community, and social settings. Our mission is to provide fun tools that coach your children or students on manners, social skills, good citizenship, listening skills, conflict resolution skills, knowing what to do if they see or experience bullying, and other skills. Using social and emotional learning, our products improve self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making, resulting in building lifelong skills and self-worth. Our products are designed by behavioral therapists and top educators for children. How to Be Good for Santa Inc. won the prestigious Mom's Choice Awards for behavior education learning kits. And the best part? Kids have fun while eagerly strengthening and expanding proper social behavior. They're filled with hand-illustrated watercolored animal characters. Products can be used year-round in home or school settings and include How to Be Good Behavior Education Sticker Book with Gold Star Reward stickers. All stickers should be earned, not just given to play with. In addition, this book provides guardians and educators with helpful tips and tools. Topics include listening skills, conflict resolution, understanding social and emotional learning, group behaviors, how to be an upstander, addressing cyberbullies, haters, and problem provokers, understanding incentives versus bribes, easy-to-use lesson plans and lesson plan templates, and much more. How to Be Good for Santa behavior education flashcards help children be good in a flash. Each flashcard has wonderfully hand-illustrated and watercolored animal characters that provide exact words and actions to use, fun rhymes, and real-life helpful tips and role-playing questions. How to Be Good activity books provide fun activities such as coloring and doodling, games, how to draw, and more, while reinforcing proper social behavior. Learning how to doodle and draw helps open the magical world of creativity and imagination. Wonderful skills that can be used for problem solving, coping, communication, or just for fun. In addition to learning how to draw all types of animals, there are pages detailing how to draw emotions, which expand emotional intelligence understanding. And there are how to draw anger and pain charts, which helps communicate and cope when something's wrong. There's a page to help learn to dial parents and 911 phone numbers. The Christmas Activity and Drawing Book helps children have fun while learning Christmas is about giving and gratitude, not just receiving presents. It teaches how to draw Christmas characters, make Christmas nice lists, greeting cards, ornaments, gift tags, thank you cards, and more, as well as how to recycle wrapping materials and unwanted toys. These activities help spread kindness and joy, pinch pennies, and save the planet's landfills. And of course, there are goal planning worksheets, a countdown to Christmas behavior tracking chart, and much more. Apollo's Apology Picture Book is an easy, fun way to share the importance of being aware of other people's feelings and property, and to apologize when you do something wrong, so you can start fresh and get along. Everyone makes mistakes. Knowing how to make amends is an important part of relationships. The wonderful storyline is filled with hand-illustrated watercolored animal characters. There's an enrichment page at the end of the book giving the definition of an apology, examples of how to apologize, role-playing, and practicing instructions, as well as detailing how to share what happened in real life when your child uses what they learned. Our products are portable, providing easy, universal behavior coaching when on the go, or for when children are in the care of other guardians, such as grandparents, nannies, babysitters, teachers, counselors, therapists, daycare personnel, and others. This helps ensure positive reinforcement is being used with your children when they're in the care of other guardians. Having multiple products with consistent messaging and characters keeps children engaged and improves learning and retention. Be proactive, not reactive. Increase your positive to negative ratio. How to Be Good for Santa Inc. is offering over 50% off all behavior education products when purchasing a kit. All materials are fun and easy to use. So, if you want to give your children a wonderful foundation in life to do well and feel good about who they are, then our behavior education products are here to help. Visit www.howtobegoodforsanta.com to download free personalized Santa letters, Goal planning worksheets and behavior tracking charts, lesson plans and templates, and more